I think you are searching about cordless vacuum cleaner, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following think, are you looking for? Need good quality cordless vacuum cleaner? Need free shipping cordless vacuum cleaner? Looking for Cyclone type cordless vacuum cleaner? Looking for vacuum cleaner having high milliampere battery? If the answer is yes, then let's go, and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best handheld cordless vacuum cleaner. Number 1. Proscenic P9 Handheld Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, and the feature is Type Cyclone. Vacuum 15,000 Pascal. Dustbin 0.55 liter. Normal suction 35 to 40 minutes. Battery Li-ion 2600 mAh. Let's go for number 2. Proscenic P8 Handheld Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, and the feature is Type Cyclone. Cleaning route random type. Dustbin 500 milliliters. Normal suction 35 minutes. Battery Li-ion 2200 mAh, removable. Let's go for number 3. Koba Fun Handheld Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, and the feature is Type Cyclone. Dust box capacity 1 to 2 liter. Cleaning route random type. Battery life 40 minutes. Size 1050 into 335 into 202 millimeters.